speaking test on the Zone Guard. Here we go. Here we go. Come on. There we go.
This is a test of the NOAA Weather Radio's warning device. The preceding signal was a test of the weather radio station's public warning system. During potentially dangerous situations, specially built receivers can be automatically activated by the signal to warn of the impending hazard. Tests of this signal and receiver's performance are normally conducted by the National Weather Service every Wednesday between 11 a.m. and 12 noon. If there is a threat of, or existing severe weather in the area on Wednesday, the test will be postponed until the next available good weather day. Problems with reception of this broadcast, normally more noticeable at greater distances from the transmitter, can occur even though you are using a good quality receiver in perfect working order. To provide the most consistent and dependable warning service possible, the warning alarm will be activated for hazardous watches and warnings for the following counties: Brazoria, Chambers, Galveston, and Harris. Repeating, this is a test of the NOAA Weather Radio's warning device. 11 a.m.